Hello, my name is Deborah Vieira. I'm the principal at the Erindale Academy in Mississauga, Ontario. I'm here to welcome you and to invite you to our open house on Saturday, April 30th, 2022 from 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. Our location is 1576 Dundas Street West in Mississauga. Please join us on April 30th for a campus tour, a teacher meet and greet, an information session. We will be discussing private school education in Ontario, student life, transitional education, and student leadership development. The highlight of our day will be a tour of our campus where you will feel the welcoming and engaging environment that we host here. The highlight is also our new basketball court in the backyard, which has attracted so much attention from our students this year. So, book that on your calendars, April 30th, 2022 from 1 until 4 for the open house at the Erindale Academy. We will be here waiting for you. I hope to see you.